I was just next door doing some trim on my tree limbs, and I couldn't wait to show you my new noise canceling headphones. Yeah, they're really good, and they're kind of fancy schmancy, but they're not pinky up. They're just pinky mid. But yeah, just doing that. Also, I can't hear a thing. But I also wanted to tell you a doorbell dad joke. So while I'm here we go. All right. What did the socks say to the pants? What did the socks say to the pants? Sup, britches? Sup, britches? Yeah. Sup, britches? See you at church tomorrow and later, gator.